Hello everyone, my name is Shubham and in this video we will learn how to configure the timeout parameter for syslog log source individually in IBM QRadar. In IBM QRadar, the syslog event timeout defines how long the system waits before making a log source inactive or in error state, if no event are received from it. By default, this timeout is set for all syslog log sources. The default value is 720 minutes, which is equal to 12 hours. This means if the log source does not receive any event for 12 hours, QRadar will mark it as not reporting. Earlier, this setting was applied to all the syslog log sources together. But starting from the QRadar LSM version 7.012, we can now configure the timeout individually for each log source. This log source management version is supported for UP13 and above. To configure the timeout individually for log source, go to the log source configuration page. Select the log source, create a new log source. For example, I am taking here Linux. Select the protocol. I am selecting here syslog. Fill the required information and at the bottom you will see the syslog event timeout parameter. Here you can select your option. The first option is default. This uses the global system timeout value, that is 720 minutes. The second option will be never timeout. The log source will never marked as inactive even if it stops receiving logs. Custom timeout. You can set your own timeout value in minutes for this specific log source. Currently, I am selecting here use default timeout. This feature is very useful because not all the devices behave the same way. Some devices like firewalls send logs continuously, so they may need a shorter timeout to detect issue quickly. Other devices send occasionally, so they need a longer timeout to avoid false positive. After selecting the required option, save the configuration and this will go for a deployment. As discussed, you will see the log source creation here. Now you can easily configure the timeout parameter for each syslog log source individually in IBM QRadar. Thank you for watching.